Hey there, everybody. How are you? Happy Tuesday. If you're watching me live today or if you're watching me any other time, good morning, good day. Anyways, I am here and I'm excited to dive into today's topic, which is my most three favorite ways to breathe new life into your content. Sorry, tripping over my words today. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick intro for those of you who are like wondering who this person is that's showing up in my feed. I'm Kristen Poborski, and I'm a mom, and I live in Kirkland, Washington, and I run a marketing and strategy and implementation business for people who are coaches and healers and therapists. Anyways, and actually what I really do, besides that, my specialty is really helping them overcome their content creation fears and create content that matters to their audience and grows their business. I'm passionate about that because if you do one thing right in your business consistently, this is the most important thing you can do. But so on and so forth. Let's just dive into today's topic, okay? I'd like to, just talk to you or ask you a question, really. How many of you out there update your old content on a regular basis or at all? I'm curious, so just type in the thing. Let me know if you do or you don't, because I really want to know the answer to that. Okay, so let me just tell you a little story here. A couple years ago, the folks over at Social Media Examiner, they asked the same question to about 1,300 people who are bloggers, content creators, influencers, and what have you. And their answer was 55% of those people regularly update their old content on a regular basis. So if you are not doing that, you're going to want to stick around and listen to me talk about my 3 ways of doing that. Now, you're probably wondering, like, why do I want to do this, right? Why would I want to add more, go back and update it? Well, here's the deal. You're not going to go back and update all your old content, just your best content. Stuff that's already been working for you, because you're going to want to go back and do that because it's got SEO juice to it. And there's some value there. People are listening, reading it, or, whatever. They're consuming it. So you want to do that so that you can get some more juice from it, okay? So let's dive in right away. And my top 3 ways that I love to do this. And the cool thing about this is you can do it in 30 minutes or less. Some of it is even less than 30 minutes. So let's talk about that. So number 1 is I like to add more sections to my content. So what I'll do is I'll go into a piece of content, one of my top ones, and I'll look through it and I'll go, oh, maybe it needs this or this or this. So I'll go in and add maybe a few paragraphs or like something like that. So I would go in and just take a look at your top content, add a few more paragraphs, make it better, possibly update what you already have in there because things change, your perspective changes, that kind of stuff. So I would definitely do that. And when I do that, it probably takes me, 15, 20 minutes to add just a few paragraphs to make my content even better. And one tip also I always do is I repost it to a newer date so it shows up in the beginning of my content. So take that as a bonus, all right? The second thing I like to do is add links. So you're probably wondering, what do you mean by links? Well, what I'm talking about is adding links to other content on your blog that you already have. So if you've got the Yoast SEO plugin, it's going to suggest content right for you that you should be linking to. So I'd take a look at that and pick maybe 2, 3 relevant pieces of content that you could link to. So I would definitely do that. It probably takes maybe 5-10 minutes. Now, I wouldn't go crazy with this. You don't want to do all these links, but one reason you want to do this is because it keeps people reading your content and they're going to go to something else that you might have that could actually help them too. So the longer they stay on your blog, the better they are the better it is for your SEO juice, because Google looks at the length of time on your blog or on your page, and it takes it into account when it's giving you the marks for good SEO. Okay, so the longer people are on your blog, the more authority you have, the more stuff that they consume, the better. All right, so that's why you want to have the links. That's why you want to make your content a little bit longer. Now, my third tip is really important, because this will also get people on your blog, reading your content longer, and that is adding video. Now, I talked about video last week too. I am so into video, and that's why I'm doing this here, because I know I need to be on video. I add it to my content, but what you want to do is take your best content and shoot a video about it, and that way you can actually repurpose it over on YouTube, put it on Facebook, drive more content views to that piece of content. Plus, they'll go on there and watch your video and spend more time on your particular piece of content. So it just really helps. And you got to take into consideration that there's different people who consume content in different ways. Some people want to hear the audio, some people want to hear the video, and some people like to read and scan and then pick and choose whatever they want to read. So here, let's just go through and recap it. So number one, add a few more sections, paragraphs to your content. Link to other content, and then shoot a quick video. And really, that quick video, you just need to do a quick outline. It shouldn't be more than 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes total for that video, and you're done. So if you do these three things, and you do it consistently and put aside time every week or once or twice a month to update your old content, you're going to be so surprised at how that content will come back to life and work for you. All right, so I want to invite you guys, if you like what I have to say, I want you to join me in my Facebook group here. I'm starting a content creation revolution, and I'm helping people. I'm showing them how to create meaningful content that gets their message out, attracts clients, and helps to build their businesses. So you can join me. There's a link below to join my Big Impact Content Creators Facebook group, and I hope to see you there. Hope you have a great day, and let me know in the comments what you thought and if it helped you. Okay, see you later.